Hello everyone! Yes, I know, it has been a long time since I made a video. I feel like I say that with every video I make. Well, I guess it's always true. Anyway, I just have not felt like playing games. However, with that whole Pluto thing, I decided I wanted to play in space, and I bought this Universe Sandbox Squared for $25. I'll have a link in the description. It's, yeah, it's meh. I don't know if it's worth $25, but it's pretty fun. This is the default scenario. It starts with stuff, all the major bodies of the solar system. Well, most of them. And it's a universe sandbox. You just play with stuff. You can change the temperature of things and smash things into other things and just do fun stuff. So that's what I'll be doing. This is going to be a Let's Quickly Play video, as you can tell by the title. And I'm just gonna screw around in space. What is this one with the weird giant orbit? Sedna. Right. I think I want to take Jupiter and make its eccentricity really high. Let's see. Show orbit. And eccentricity. You'd think it'd be in motion, but apparently it's not. Maybe it's in basic. Yeah, there we go. Orbital elements, eccentricity. Why can't I change that? I would like to change its eccentricity. That's... But I want to send Jupiter flying into the sun. Right. Click on edit mode, I guess. Okay, now we're in edit mode. Should be able to screw with this. Why not? Why can't I? Alright, fine, whatever. It's made of hydrogen. Let's just blow it up. Jupiter, let's see. Power. Detonate Jupiter. Boom, there we go. So now, these little bits of Jupiter. Oh, there it is. Spinning around really quickly. It's glowing red hot because it just exploded for no reason. Anyway, it should, yes, good, fall into the sun. That's what I want, even though it's only about half of a Jupiter. That's still fine. 3 days per second. Here. To make this go a bit faster, let's get rid of some of this other stuff out here so the game doesn't have to simulate it. Pluto! Yeah, bye. All this stuff on weird giant orbits, I'll get rid of that just to make it go a bit more quickly. These asteroids and comets here don't mean much to me. Okay, there. Now it should go a bit more quickly. Yes, 6 days per second. This has cooled down a bit now. It's made of more iron. I guess I blew off some of the hydrogen. Can I change this thing's eccentricity? Yes, there we go. Now I can change its eccentricity. I just couldn't change it earlier with thingy, whatever. Ooh, it's actually not going to hit the sun. Excellent. Because I only care about the inner planets, I'm going to delete some more of this stuff. Make the game run more quickly. There. I can't get rid of these asteroids. I think they're just sort of non-interactable. They're just kind of eye candy, like this background here, which I really would like to get rid of, but I can't. So, what can I do? I don't know. I'm not even really sure what I was even planning on doing with this video. I just record when I'm playing, and this is what I'm playing. Go on, space, happen faster. So what I'm hoping is that Jupiter's going to screw up the orbits of the stuff. Oh, that's great. Of the stuff in the inner solar system. Because it is half of a Jupiter, which is pretty big. Nope. Okay, it's going to enter its apoapsis pretty quickly. Is he gonna mess with something? Let's see, that's half of Jupiter. Venus is 1 Earth. Well, okay, that's not helpful. There we go. It'll muck around with Mercury. Right? We're getting pretty close. Huh? Did it screw anything up? No. Alright, fine. Then let's change its motion and make it... Pause first. Velocity, orientation, rotational period, no. Orbital period. Okay, let's make this smaller so we can have more fun with it. Go around once every year or so. 200 days. There we go. Nice and fast. Now it should be able to screw stuff in the inner solar system, right? Right? I want to mess with other stuff now. Come on. What's this? Nothing. Well, here's what I can do. Because I want to do this with original Jupiter, but I couldn't. Let's just change its mass to, 1 Jupiter. There. There. Now it should screw with stuff, right? How's Earth? Earth looks fine. Ooh, it's getting close to Mars. Come on, do something. Lame. Has it messed with Earth's orbit or anything? What's the temperature on Earth? Nope, still fine. Alright, this is lame. Let's do something else. Alright. Let's add... You know, I wonder if I can do... Titan. Saturn with rings. Climate simulation, solar system... Sun, Wolf, Jupiter, Earth. That what? Solar system and major moons. There we go. Okay. All I really care about is Saturn and its little buddy Titan. Yes, there he is. Okay, that's what I want. Titan's cool. What I want to do with Titan is move him a bit closer into the solar system, but man, all this other stuff is just really in the way. I want this other stuff. They go away. What I want to do is make Titan's atmosphere super duper hot. No, here's what I can do. You just do an empty solar system and just do the Sun and Titan. Right? Right. Because 2 frames per second is not particularly playable. Did I forget to record? I did not forget to press record. I'm so proud of myself. Did I click new? Empty simulation, please. Okay. Still getting 3 frames per second. What? What? Of course it wasn't the game, it was Fraps. Silly me. Thinking Fraps would ever work. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, let's add the Sun and our good friend Titan. Okay. So normally it's how many AU away? I'm not sure. Whatever. Let's make it 1 AU. The same distance that Earth is from Sol. That's close enough. Okay. So now, that's our default Titan. And it has a temperature of 2.38 Celsius. That's alright. Let's get a bit closer. Okay, so now, should be heating up quite a lot. Well, I need to go a bit more quickly. 3 hours per second is not good enough. 11 days per second. There. Okay, Titan. Wait a minute. What is this magic? Why is your temperature not changing? You're way closer to the sun. Show atmosphere. Did I forget to turn on space or something? No magnetosphere. Simulate radius. Do that. Should be simulating its temperature. Oh, I make it hot. Surface temperature is 2.38 C. Orbit temperature, atmosphere, greenhouse effect. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on there. So to make this more fun, let's just take Titan and scoot it a little bit in. There we go. Now it'll get nice and hot. Top edit mode, right? So it should be, yeah, there we go. 100 degrees, fantastic. So any water there would be burned away. Yep, and now it's just silicates. No, it can't be just silicates because it has an atmosphere. An atmosphere whose mass is staying the same? Well, just scoot it a bit closer to Le Sun. There. Great. Now, 532 Celsius. That's pretty good. Let's throw something at it. Add. No, we're going to power launch. We're going to launch something full of water at it. Let's launch Enceladus. Right at Titan. There we go. I didn't put in a number for its velocity, so they probably won't hit each other. For that reason, I'm going to scoot down to 20 minutes per second. Oh, no, they hit. Nice. So let's see the effect of that. There we go. No atmosphere. Nice. And some of that debris is falling back to the planet's surface. Nice. Okay, so now its temperature should be a lot higher. Yeah, 711. That heat is going to permeate throughout the body. And that'll cool down as opposed to cool up. One more rotation around, it should be basically at its right temperature again. Okay, so now we should have water on it. Oh wait, no, we don't have water because it's really close to the sun. So let's take it far away from the sun. Again, because, you know, reasons. This is probably really boring. Again, I just record what I'm playing, and this is what I'm playing. That's no good. So let's wait a bit for it to get away from the sun. Oh no, that's no good at all. Change that orbit. Obliquity? I don't even know what that is. Eccentricity, that's what I care about. There we go. Make it nice and circular. So now its orbital period is... what? 10 years. Cool. So its temperature should be going way down because it is now many astronomical units away from the sun. Right? This is 6.8 AU, so it's what, 5 AU away? Sure. now, Mr. Titan, your temperature should be lowering. I'm just going to manually lower its temperature to 0. And it'll automatically go down. That's not right. It shouldn't be going down because it's... Oh, right, it's further away from less sun. I did that because I wanted to put water on it. Right, let's get Europa. That's a little close, but whatever. Get Europa and Enceladus. And we'll just both smack into Titan. There we go. Europa and Enceladus have a lot of water on them. Europa, 15% water? Really? I thought I had more. Wait. I know that Enceladus has more water than that. Enceladus is thought to have liquid water underneath its ice. Maybe it's Mimas? No, it's not Mimas. It's definitely Enceladus. Whatever. Incorrect game's incorrect. Fine, just another Europa. There. Okay. So now, let's slow the thingy down. We'll need to do probably, 1 minute per minute. There we go. Nice. Ooh, looks like this Europa might actually glance off and not be absorbed. Yes, indeed, it glanced. Nice. Aha! And you can immediately see the effect of the water because Titan now has clouds. And Europa is looking a little hot. Oh, we've also screwed up Titan's orbit. Now Titan is kind of lopsided, spinning in a weird direction. But that's fine, whatever. Who cares about that? It is a bone-chilling 4,500 degrees. And we can see it naked. And it's got a lot of, stuff. A lot of magma. But does it have water? Yes, it does. It has plasma, but it does. Okay, so all this ejecta and stuff is going to fly into space. I don't know if it's going to fall back to Europa and Titan, but we'll see. So these little fragments are really small. They should cool pretty quickly. Click on this one. Here, we'll give it a nice long time to figure out all those orbits. So these fragments are how big? Particularly. Looks like Europa is actually going to escape solar system, and it's also not cooling? You're in space. Not sure that's working. Now we have these fragments that are staying around the sun. Looks like this fragment and this fragment are going to have orbits while these ones are all escaping. Yes. Europa, how are you? Pretty hot. You lost all your water because you were too hot and it evaporated away. Okay, well, I'll just get rid of this stuff that's going to escape so that the game doesn't have to calculate its trajectories and stuff. And these guys all have orbits. Okay, so now what I want to do is wait. Wait for stuff to literally cool down. It'll take some time, so we'll just speed this up to a few years per second. That's a heck of a long orbit. So it looks like Titan is screwing up the orbits of these other fragments. This one spent a long time away from Le Sun, so it should be a little... It should be a little cooler. 2367 as opposed to this one, which is already at 172. How does that work? This one probably has a lot lower mass. 1.21 times 10 to the 20th power. This one is larger. 1.5, 1.19. These are all similar sizes. So why is this one blue? This one is blue because it's mostly water. Alrighty. That's pretty cool. And it's liquid water because it's still hot from that impact, though it should cool pretty quickly. Does it have an atmosphere? It does. Have an atmosphere? No? I think it's under the temperature or motion? Oh, I forget where the atmosphere screen is. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's under temperature. This one has an atmosphere. This one cannot possibly have an atmosphere. I guess it's too small? Well, whatever. See, this one's still white hot, or red hot. This one's made of silicates. So I want this fragment here to go into orbit around Titan. Titan gets a moon. Just scoot it over next to Titan, and took a while, but now I have put it right next to Titan. Now I just need to slow time way down. 16 seconds per second. That's fine. Now, we need to change its motion. Its relative body needs to be something else. Let's change its total velocity to... I don't know. Near 0, I guess. We'll make its total velocity half of a kilometer per second. Okay, so at that speed, it's going to fall right into the sun, probably. Yeah. But, if I can get it stuck around Titan, then it won't fall into the sun. Right? Right. Just scoot it up a bit. Okay, let's see. Does Titan have a hill sphere? Can I see your hill sphere? No. Maybe yes. I don't know. Eccentricity, inclination. Nope, no, that's important to me. No magnetosphere. It's still really hot. Okay, well, let's just let time go and see what happens. The fragment is going to deflect off of Titan's orbit and go out into space, into a really wonky orbit of the sun. Let's see, what is your motion? Relative total velocity, you can make that lower, then lower this again. Oh, that changes it again. Surely I can make it orbit Mr. Titan, right? Relative body Titan orbital parent sun. Okay, so it's really close for a moon, but whatever. Distance to total velocity, half a kilometer per second. So, does this count? Can I rename this? No, I don't think I can. Oh yeah, there's a... Okay, we're gonna rename this, Ice Moon. Yeah, there we go. Because I'm original. So, I didn't quite make it a moon, per se. I gave it the exact same speed and orbit as Titan, so they're just always going to kind of go around it. So it's not that Ice Moon is a moon so much as another planet that happens to be orbiting right next to Titan. I think that's how it works, right? Not sure about that. Also, it's not showing me orbits, and I really want to see orbits. So, yes. Wait, no, that says it's going to crash into Titan. I don't want that, but this is okay. Can I tweak this a bit? It is falling into Titan, but not quite as terribly as I thought. It might still miss Titan and become a moon. Oh, come on! It was still super far away! Man, that's dumb. Alright, well, whatever. Now you got some water. Congratulations. So, what do you look like without your skin? Ooh, nice. So, I found some pretty cool options. I didn't even know were here. You can see habitable zones of stars. Just turn those on. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? Right. And then you can also change thermodynamics. You can change how tidal heating works and stellar flare. I don't even know what a stellar flare is, but that's pretty cool. Oh, it's just a solar flare, right? But from any star, not just the sun. Yeah, comet trails, all kinds of cool stuff. Don't totally understand what all this stuff does, but anyway, I want to wait until Titan cools a bit. It should cool at some point, right? Yeah, there we go. Now we see it cooling. No, it's not cooling. No game. It is not maintaining its temperature. Let's go to months. There we go, okay. So now the black bits should recede. Or no, sorry, the orange bits should recede. Several years per second. Well, I guess it retaining its heat kind of makes sense, because it is in space and the heat can't radiate out into space. Well, it can, but very slowly. So all the heat that's there remains on the planet. Alright, fine. Looks like all the water went away. I guess I could just give it water, but that's so lame. So, there we go. Ah, yes. Wonderful. Now, after only a few hundred years, which, you know, in astronomy is pretty quick, and wow, this sucker's spinning. How many is that? How many rotations is that per minute? We'll do 1 minute per second. Oh, we could just type it, actually. Minutes per second. 1 minute per second. So, now, because of that collision with Europa, Titan is whipping around at a pretty breakneck speed. What is its speed of rotation? Speed of rotation... It rotates once every 42 minutes. Yeah, wow, okay. That's pretty fast. Anyway, how long have I been recording? 29 minutes. I guess this is a good enough place to stop. Here, before I go, we'll just smack a bunch of stuff into it. We'll do a bunch of Titans together. Boom, and boom, boom, boom. There we go. Oh, that's not going to cause my computer to crash or anything. Ah, fantastic. Ah, this looks great. Great. How about these other fragments? How are they doing? Are they cooled? Looks like they have. Negative 125, made of silicates. Cool. That guy's gone. But hey! It looks like one of the fragments actually is going to become a moon of Titan. That's what I wanted. Oh. Where's this Titan going? No, 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 no. No, 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 I don't think so. You get back here and you smack into Titan, Titan. Come on. Be a good Titan. I guess I'm going over my recording time. Whatever. Where are you going? You get back here. Get back here and crash into Titan like you're supposed to. There you go. Alright, now Titan's nice and big. 6 moons. Cool. And we'll wait a bit for the fragments to do their thing. So what's your orbit, fragment? Where are you going? You're going nowhere? Who knows? Whatever, anyway, thank you for watching. This is Universe Sandbox Squared. It's super fun.